In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create high-converting CTA buttons in Wix. We'll walk through the essentials so your buttons not only look great, but actually get clicked. Think of your call to action as the signpost that guides visitors to do the thing you want most. Sign up, purchase, or get in touch. So clarity and visibility are everything. Start with design and visibility. Choose a button color that sharply contrasts with your background so it pops at a glance. If your site is mostly light, a bold, saturated color works well. On dark sections, go bright and clean. Make the button look unmistakably clickable with clear, bold text. In Wix, you can use a solid fill, add a subtle hover effect, and ensure the text size is large enough to read comfortably across devices. Next, focus on actionable copy. Strong, specific verbs convert better than vague language. Replace generic terms with direct prompts like start, download, or join. Keep it short, front-load the action, and, when appropriate, hint at the benefit. Start your free trial is stronger than learn more because it tells people exactly what they'll get. Placement is critical. Your primary CTA should appear above the fold so it's visible without scrolling. On longer pages, repeat the same CTA in logical spots, after a feature section or near testimonials, so visitors don't have to hunt for it. Consistency helps users recognize the action throughout the page. Inside Wix, customization is straightforward. Click your button, then change the text and, if it fits your style, add a simple icon to reinforce the action. Use the link settings to connect the button to a specific page, a section on the same page, or an external site. By the way, if you need the website we're using today, there's a link to Wix right at the top of the description so you can follow along. Give your button room to breathe. Surround it with enough white space so it stands out from nearby text, images, or forms. A little spacing can dramatically improve visibility and reduce distraction. Don't forget mobile optimization. Switch to the mobile view in Wix and check size, alignment, and tap targets. Make sure the button is wide enough for a thumb tap and that any sticky headers don't cover it. Finally, measure and improve. Open Wix Analytics to monitor click performance over time. If clicks are low, try a stronger verb, higher contrast, or a more prominent placement. Iterate in small steps so you know what's working. That's it. Follow these principles, keep testing, and your CTAs will do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching.